Hey everyone, Johnny with Diode Dynamics. Today we are excited to debut two new additional Stage Series lighting kits for the 2022 Plus Honda Talon. Let's kick things off front and center with the SS3 LED Grille Kit. This kit is a complete replacement for the plastic OEM grille, allowing you to mount two SS3 LED pods in the factory grille location. Our custom-designed stainless steel replacement grille is built to endure the elements while providing a stealthy, OEM-like solution for mounting your pods. Customize your setup with fog or combo optics, wider yellow output, and your choice of power level with our Sport or Pro pods. Our fog optics utilize our industry-leading fine line technology to deliver extreme width and a high-intensity output directly in front of the vehicle. Unlike other options in the market that taper off or have hot spots, our design maintains a consistent, high-intensity beam pattern across the entire band of light. Our combo optic, on the other hand, combines our driving and flood patterns into a single lens. The flood portion delivers outstanding foreground lighting directly in front of your vehicle, while the driving portion projects a focused, high-intensity beam for exceptional downrange illumination. It's a smart design that offers balanced performance and better visibility for any off-road adventure. In addition to their tailored beam patterns, all of our pods come equipped with features you've come to expect from Stage Series lighting. That includes our signature amber backlight accent light, a favorite among off-roaders, and that bright main beam available in your choice of 6000K cool white or 3000K selective yellow. Just above the grille kit, you'll find our second new addition, our bolt-on plug-and-play Stage Series headlight kit. The included bracket allows you to mount two of our high-performance 6000K cool white SS3 LED pods in place of your factory headlights, giving you more output and capability than the factory lamps. This bracket bolts on easily and is made of heavy-duty powder-coated stainless steel to withstand whatever you throw its way. The outer SS3 pods utilize our combo optic. This activates with the low beam to provide exceptional off-road lighting. The inner SS3 pods utilize our driving optic. This activates with the high beam, which will provide an intense, focused beam of light downrange for high-speed illumination. Unlike other kits in the market, all Stage Series LED pods feature an amber backlight, allowing you to retain the factory DRL functionality when your headlights aren't in use. As always, these kits are backed by our industry-leading 8-year warranty and our world-class customer service team. So if you're ready to upgrade your Talon, these kits are just the start. Be sure to check out our other top-tier options, like the SS3 A-Pillar kit, the SSC2 Reverser Chase Light kit, our Rock Light kit, or even our SS5 Crosslink Light Bar for unbeatable performance off-road. If you're interested in any of our Stage Series kits for your Honda Talon, head on over to diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest and greatest products coming to the market, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.